Guys, I got another deal. Got another bike. This is a women's track. Got some extra handles. These are made from Germany. Nice seats, the rack, and I got this baby for 150. Paid a little too much for this one. I probably be able to get it for like sell it for. I mean, I paid 150 for it. I'll be able to flip it for 350. So I paid 150. I'll flip it for 350 to 300. So I'll 2x my money or a little bit more. It wasn't the best deal, but hey, having money in the bank doesn't do anything with inflation as high as it is. They hardly pay you any kind of interest. So at least I'm 2xing my money a little bit more. It'll probably take maybe a week or less to sell this bike. So track, I'm not gonna do anything special to it. I bought it from Facebook from a pretty rich family. The lady didn't use the bike anymore. She bought a new bike, electrical bike, so she let me have this. So again, I'll flip it for 350 and I got it for 150. If you were interested in learning how to flip bikes just like this, there's a link below. I have a course where I teach you exactly what bikes to buy, what sizes to buy, what type of models to buy. And I'll also give you a copy and paste offer letter. I'll give you ads, and I'll give you one-on-one coaching to answer every and all your questions, because I guarantee this works, and I back it up with my words, with my actions, by giving you free coaching. So jump on it. If you need to make money now, this is a great side hustle. This is a great business to have. It's just great to, whatever you want to do with it. You want to take it to a full business and make 10, 20 grand a month, you can. If you just want to make 2 or 3 grand a month, you can. It all depends on what you want to do. Either way, I'm there to answer every and all your questions. If you like to flip bikes, there's a link below. It's called The New Flip. Go check me out. Great reviews. It works all around America. I have students in Canada. I have students in UK. We all flip bikes, make extra money. Peace.